The benefits of drinking thyme tea. Thyme, a common garden herb, is widely used in various culinary styles, owing to its unique flavor and aroma. It is loaded with potent active ingredients and has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. Thymol, an essential active ingredient of this herb, primarily contributes to its numerous health benefits. Thyme can also be consumed as a tea. All you need is to crush a few sprigs of dried thyme leaves and boil them in about 2 cups of water. Let the mixture steep for about 5 minutes. Strain the drink into a cup and add some honey to it. The powerful antioxidants present in this tea are beneficial in preventing diseases such as vertigo, tinnitus, and hepatitis. Thyme tea is excellent for treating respiratory issues due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory nature. Apart from soothing coughs and congestion, it also helps fight the harmful pathogens responsible for respiratory issues. Thyme helps curb and control your appetite so you don't overeat. The compounds in this tea help boost body metabolism, helping you lose weight rapidly. Thyme tea offers relief from painful menstrual cramps. It helps relax the muscles, thereby reducing the discomfort and mood swings caused during menstruation. This beverage contains high levels of vitamin C and active antioxidants. Together, these not only boost your immune system, but also stimulate the production of white blood cells. The thymol content of this tea helps increase the levels of omega-3 in the brain, sharpening your cognition and memory to a great extent. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of thyme tea soothe the digestive system and promote its healthy functioning, keeping stomach problems at bay. Include this wonderful health beverage in your daily routine to reap the optimum benefits of thyme herb. Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss an update from Organic Facts.